Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow Wi-Fi control permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access. Now in special access, scroll down and here click on Wi-Fi control, and now here it will show you the list of apps that can use the Wi-Fi control permissions. So if you want to disallow or deny a app to use Wi-Fi control permission, then turn off its button, and if you want to allow the app to use Wi-Fi control permissions, then tap on its button to turn it on. So with these buttons you can allow or don't allow apps to use Wi-Fi control permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.